look at this one. These are huge. Today I'm gonna share with you what in my opinion is the best kale salad recipe. As you saw in one of the previous episodes, kale is very easy to grow here in Arizona, and I grow a lot of it, so every couple of days I make kale salad, and I have to come up with different recipes in order to keep it interesting. I always start by soaking the kale in water for a couple of hours prior to making the salad. That makes the kale more crispy and juicy. And the best part of this salad is that you don't have to use kale, you can use any other leafy green that you like. So I will start by giving the kale nice rinse and a wash and a spin in a salad spinner. I will start by slicing the kale and putting it in a very large bowl. Make sure it's a large bowl because we're going to be adding a lot of things. And on some of the older leaves I am removing the stems because they're a little too tough and chewy. And in this salad I'm using mangoes, but you can also use either peaches or apricots or strawberries. Next I'm adding a few dried cranberries and a few raisins, but you can also use dried figs or dried dates or any other dried fruit of your choice. I like to add crushed Brazil nuts to my salad, but you can also add either walnuts or pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. Honey crisps are my favorite apples, and I like to use one whole apple for the salad, but you can also add a pear. To give the salad a little bit of a kick, I add some gorgonzola cheese, but you can also use blue cheese or any other sharp cheese. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil, and you can also use sesame oil. I've done it with sesame oil and it tastes really good. And lastly, about 3 or 4 pinches of salt, and give the salad a really good mix. I hope you enjoyed this kale salad recipe. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!